Alright, so we're back over here with our Grand National motor. We pulled it down to the short block in the last video. I don't have a socket to pull this out over here, so I'm hoping to pull the pan, pull the pistons, look at the bearings, some things like that, just so that I can figure out what I need to order right now. Yeah, while I was waiting, I pulled all the bolts out of here, so let's pull this pan and see what it looks like underneath here. Oh, that's yucky. That's way yucky. You see all the sludge and nastiness. That's way dirty. Let's get a better look. See this sludge and gritty, disgusting stuff. That's pretty bad. Well, fingers crossed that the bearings are good. So, there's the inside of the pan. That's yummy. Well, that's not what I was expecting on the inside, but I guess with any high mileage engine, that's kind of what you get. Pull this pickup tube. All right, we got number one piston out. Let's see if we can get number two. Alright, so you can see, kind of looks like it's hard to see in the video, but there's little grooves in there. You can feel them with your fingernails. This is pretty bad. And the grinding noise is the crank position sensor right here. Guess that's going to be replaced. They've got an updated one from what I understand. In this video on the engine rebuild with it just the crank being in the block, I recorded pulling the crank and pulling the mains and the cam and all that stuff out of it, and all of my videos disappeared. I'm out at my real job and I'm out of town, and I was gonna edit the rest of the video and I don't have any footage, so this is where it's gonna end on there. Hopefully when I get back from being out of town for work, I can get the engine and stuff to the machine shop and get them working on it. So that's where we're at.